Hello viewers, welcome to Programming Geek. I'm here with a new tutorial that is how to perform CRUD operation, insert, delete, update charts in VB.NET Transform application. Start Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Server name is catalog-sbr. Authentication SQL Server Authentication. Login is SA. Password is SQL Server Authentication password. Click on connect. Yes, it's connected. Now open the database. This is Object Explorer. If you don't have Object Explorer, go to the view and click on Object Explorer, then it will add it in SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, now I'm going to create a new database. Write new database name is ProgrammingDB. Click on OK. Yes, my database is created. Expand the database, expand the table. There is no table yet. Now I'm going to create a table to show you how to perform CRUD operation in VB.NET Transform application. This is product ID column name, data type is integer, product ID is integer type, set primary key. Yes. Now item name, column in the database table, item name nvarchar 50 character. It's allowed only less than 50 character. Design is 150 character. If you want to insert more character, then you should increase the length of this nvarchar character. Okay, item date time, warranty type nvarchar 50. Save the table name is product underscore setup underscore tab. Click on OK. Okay, my table is created. Just to refresh this table folder. Yes, you can see the table product setup underscore tab is added, and this is the column of this database table what I already added. Now to insert some records to the edit. Okay, now I'm gonna insert some records. 101 product ID, item name laptop, design Dell, color black, item date 1st January 2020, warranty type allowed. Okay, now start Visual Studio. Click on new project. Expand the Visual Basic and click on Windows. In the left pane, select Windows Form application. Location, select the location where you want to create this application. So I'm going to select this location. Location is G drive, then video Programming Geek VB project. Okay, this is the location where I added. Now name this project. Project name is CRUD underscore tutorial underscore project. Okay, click on OK. Yes, my application is created. Resize this form and design this form. Now go to the toolbox to design this form. First of all, add a label control. From the toolbox, just drag the label control and drop it in the form application. This label control will be used as title of this page. Change the text of this label control as title. Text is CRUD tutorial form, and fonts for color is button page, and font size 16. Yes, font bold true. Yes, font bold true. Now the level to change the text. This label control will be used as product ID. Font size is 12 and font bold true. Yes. Now for color is button page. Change the back color of this form. Just select form and go to the property. Change the back color. Choose the color. Yes. Now this is looking nice. Okay. In the title, add underline true. Yes. Now just add 5 more label control for item name, design, color and date, warranty type. Okay, now change the text of this label control. This is for item name, and this one for design, and this one for color, and this one for date, insert date, and finally last one is for warranty type. Design this form with text box, combo box, datum figure, radio button and dedicated view control. This is the text box. I just added from the toolbox. And now change the font size. Font size is 10. Now copy this text box 2 for item name, and this is for design, and color for add a combo box for color. Change the font size. Font size is 10. Okay, edit item, just add some item. Color will be black, white, blue and golden. Click on OK. Now add a date and figure control from the toolbox for insert date, item date. Yes, the date and figure control is added. Now format, change the format is short format. Date and figure format is short format. This is month, the year format, and font size is 10. Now finally warranty type. Warranty I'll use a radio button as warranty type. Allowed or not allowed. In that case, I just added a radio button. Radio button for color is button page, and font size is 10. Font bold true, yes. And change the text of this radio button. Radio button text is allowed. Now copy and add one more radio button. This radio button for not allowed. Okay, I just added radio button because of so that you can understand how to use radio button, how to declare radio button. Okay, this button control I'll use for insert operation. Now change the back color of this button. Yes, purple, looking nice. Font size 12 and font bold true. Yes, now this button is looking nice. Okay, now add a dedicated view control from the toolbox and put it in VB.NET form application. Now go to the button click event, just double click to go to the button click event. Yes, this is the button click event. In this event I will write code to perform insert operation in VB.NET. Okay, dimcon as new SQL connection. To use SQL connection you should add namespace input system.data.sql client. Just click yes, the namespace is added. Now I have to put connection string. To get connection string, go to the server explorer. These are the existing connection. Now I'm gonna connect my database. To connect, right click, add connection. Server name is catalog-sbr. Authentication, SQL authentication, username SA, password is SQL authentication password, and database is ProgrammingDB. Okay, select the database, test connection succeeded, and click on OK. Yes, it's connected to the Visual Studio. You can see, expand the database and table, you can see it's added. Now right click the database, click on property, and double click the connection string to copy and paste in the double quotation. Okay, now you can see ID is SA, okay, but password is look like a star. You should put your original password. Yes, it's done. Now open the connection, conduct open. Now SQL command. My SQL command is to insert records from the text box, combo box, date time to SQL Server database. So dim command as new SQL command, insert into product underscore setup underscore tab. Insert this is the table name. You can see in the left side Server Explorer, product setup tab values. Okay, values will be product ID, item name, design, color, and item date. So my text box product ID from text box 1, change the text box name so that you can write code and clearly and easily. So this is text product ID. Text box 1 name is text product ID, and item name, text item name, design, text design, color, combo color, and date, insert date for date time figure insert, and ready button 1, ready button 2. Ready button 1 is for the name is ready allowed, and ready button 2 ready not allowed. Okay, now I am just declaring variable for item name, product ID, color, design, and warranty type. So dim PID, this is my product ID. PID as integer, text product ID dot text, I name as a string, this is a string type, varchar type. So text item name dot text, dim design as a string equal to text design. I am just declaring variable to insert records from the variable to SQL Server database table. Okay, color from combo color the text, and date is date time format, data type is date time, so date time figure insert the text. And finally warranty, dim W type, warranty type as a string. There are two ready buttons, so I cannot declaring variable easily. I have to add a condition. So W type equal to default is blank. Now I'm gonna date is not allowed, so just put insert it. Okay, now condition is if ready allowed dot checked equal to true, then W type equal to allowed. It will insert it will take the variable value is allowed. Else, if ready allowed dot checked equal to false, not checked, then it will the W type variable where this value not allowed. Okay, now yes, now my column name is product ID. Put the syntax single quotation, double quotation, ampersand, then PID for product ID. Write the syntax accurately. Just copy this syntax with the variable so that I can reduce time. First same thing, and first column is for product ID, we will take from PID, and second one for item name. So see that item name for item name, I name for item name. So second one change variable I name, and third one for design, yes, and fourth one for color, it will take from the combo box color. I have to add two more for item date and warranty. Okay, this is for insert date, and this is for warranty. W type, initialize the connection string con. Okay, now command dot execute non-query used to perform insert, update, and delete operation. Finally, after completing the operation, it will display a message, that is message box dot show put your message successfully inserted. Okay, let's debug. Yes, it's debugging. For product ID is 101, item name is mouse, design Dell, color black, and insert date is okay, warranty type allowed, insert, Oh, additional information violation primary key. I already added a 101, so it's not allowed duplicate value because product ID is primary key. So adding method to load existing data in data grid view so that you can understand how many records are there in this database will display in data grid view. So I'm gonna add a method private sub load data in grid. In this method I will write code to select all the records in data grid view. Put SQL connection out of event and initialize the connection in any event of the page. Yes. Now I can use this connection string in any event. So dim command only command, not connection string. Dim command as a new SQL command. My SQL command is to select records from database to data grid view. So select a star from product setup underscore tab. Initialize the connection string. Yes. Dim SDA as new SQL data adapter command. Then dim dt as new data table sda.fill dd data grid view 1. This is my data grid view name. Yes, so that data grid view name is data grid view 1. So data grid view 1 dot data source equal to dt. Okay, now in the form load event, double click form load event and just call this method in load event, and in the button 1 click event, insert button click event. Okay, sorry, initialize the connection string. Wrongly I forgot to initialize connection string in this method, so yes, initialize the connection string con. Okay, this is the connection string. I already shown you this is the out of event, so I don't need to write connection string, just initialize the connection string. Okay, the records displaying the data grid view. Now I'm going to insert one more record, product ID 102, item name mouse, design apple, color white, allowed, successfully inserted, and the records displaying the data grid view instantly. Okay, now reload this table so that what records are inserted in the VB form application, it's displaying in the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, now copy this button control and paste it. This button control I will use to update operation VB.NET form applications. In the text of this button text is update. Go to the update button, click event. I will write code to perform update operation. Just update and insert is a bit same, so just copy the variable and comma code, all the code from insert button, and paste it in update button, click event. Okay, now I'm gonna just change the SQL command. The SQL command is to update to perform update operation in SQL Server database table. So update product setup tab, then set column name. My database column name is product ID, item name, design, color, item date, warranty type. So set product ID equal to product underscore ID equal to PID, and item name equal to iname, comma, design equal to design, color equal to color, and item date equal to insert date. Finally, warranty type warranty type equal to W type. Okay, remove the back. Hire, you should add a hire clause because you update only single records. So hire product ID is primary key, so we cannot update product ID. This is entity, just cut product ID equal to PID and put it in hire clause due to its primary key. This is primary key column, so all the column update based on the product ID. Okay, hire product ID equal to product ID PID, and finally it will display the message successfully updated. Okay, and also call the method load data in grid debug. Yes, it's debug. Now I'm gonna update product ID 102. So 102 item name left of 2, wireless mouse, design Dell, color black, and not allowed. Invalid column name product ID. Let's check the column name in the database table. Wrongly I put the product spelling mistake. Let's rectify this spelling. Go to the design, right click and go to the design. Yes, VRO. Yes, now save this table. Okay, now go to the Visual Studio and refresh the database. Yes, now it's changed this product ID. Debug again. Product ID 102 item name wireless mouse, mouse to wireless mouse, and design is Dell, Apple to Dell, color white to black, and not allowed. Successfully updated. You can see it's updated successfully. Insert one more records. 103 item name mobile, design Apple, color black, and warranty allowed. Oh, information, the connection was not closed. The connection's current state is open. Close the open connection, the button 1 click event, so that there is the only connection open but it's not closed yet. So just put con.close. Okay, it's closed now. And the button 2 in the open update command, update button click event, here's also close the connection, con.close. Okay, now insert one more record. 103 item name mobile, design Apple, color black, and allowed, warranty allowed. Okay, one more record. 104 mobile, design Oppo, insert successfully. Okay, now it's working fine. Now add a button control. I just copy paste doing the same thing. Okay, now change the text of this button control. This button control I will use to delete records from the database using vb.net. So open the connection, con.open and con.close. Okay, now SQL command, dim command as new SQL command. SQL command is to delete records from SQL Server database table based on product ID. So delete product setup underscore tab. This is the table name, you can see. And hire product ID, product underscore ID. This is the column name, primary key column, product ID equal to syntax single quotation double quotation and ampersand PID. I mean text box 1 dot text product ID dot text. Okay, just copy this variable and text box and paste in the button 3 click event. Just put the variable PID. Okay, now initialize the connection string con. Okay, finally command dot execute non-query. After executing this operation, it will display the message dot show successfully deleted. Debug. Yes, 103 mobile Apple. Now I'm gonna delete 103 product ID 103. Click on delete. Successfully deleted, but it's not display result instantly. debug again to see the result. Yes, see that 103 product ID is deleted. Okay, now I'm gonna add confirm message. Know that delete is very confidential. If you delete a record, you cannot reback this record. So I'm gonna add a confirm message. To add confirm message, I'm gonna add if message dot show are you sure to delete. It will display the message are you sure to delete, and this is the delete the document message name delete document, and then message box buttons dot yes no. There will be two buttons, yes no. If you click on yes, I mean dialog result dot yes, then it will execute this code, else it will execute nothing. So just move this end if below your code. Okay, yes, direct result dot yes, then it will execute this code. Debug again. So that 104 delete. Are you sure to delete? No, it's not deleted. If you click yes, successfully deleted, but it's still not. Refresh the grid view, data grid view to refresh the data grid view instantly. Just call the method in delete button click event. Yes, my method name is load data in grid. Okay, now it will display the result instantly in the data grid view. I'm just adding a message for performing the charts operation. This button controller write code to perform charts operation. So just copy the method code and paste it in the button for charts button click event. Everything is same, just add a higher clause. So just copy the variable and the text box control. Yes, dim PID as integer, and in the SQL command add higher clause, higher product ID, product underscore ID equal to PID, as same as the update button like. Okay, now yes, okay, now here is the two record 101 102. When I put 102 and charts, then it displaying only 102 in the data grid view. And if you 103, I'm just inserting one more record to show. Or I am black what allow yes, and see that 104 mouse design apple color white insert successfully yes. Now update 104 apple to Samsung successfully update. You can see it's displaying the result in data grid view. Update not allowed, yes, it's also working fine. If I change date update, it's changed the date 26 to 27 October 2020. Okay, now if I want to delete 104 records, are you sure to delete? No, it's not deleted, and then yes, then deleted successfully, and the result also displaying instantly in the data grid view. Okay, now it's working fine. Thanks for watching this tutorial.